Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm working on this Land Rover Discovery. Now it's actually a brand new car, literally a 23 plate, but it was purchased by the owner and they did an option for the ambient lighting, and plus the ambient lighting on these cars doesn't come as nice as it's going to look after this install. So without further ado, I'm going to basically show you guys around this car and then we can look into stripping the car apart, doing all the ambient lighting and then taking things forward from there. So let's have a look around the car first. As I mentioned, it's a 23 plate Land Rover Discovery, and in all fairness, it's actually a really nice car. The design and stuff like that, and everything seems to be quite nicely well built. The dashboard and stuff like that is quite a nice, good looking area as well. I'm gonna be looking at taking apart the door cards or on the front and rear. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then we're gonna be going for a strip across the dashboard, center console, and around here as well. I'm gonna start stripping half of the car down in terms of the doors, and then we could look into what's required to get them to work properly with the ambient lighting, and then everything else in relation to the dashboard and the center console. Just gonna look at taking apart the center console, which, if I'm not mistaken, you just should be able to just pop off these side pieces. That was extremely easy. Because obviously we need to run all the wires through here. Right, okay. So let me just see this one a bit more awkward because of the angle that I'm doing it from. A couple of Torx bits there, but I might not need access to that. We'll need to pull this guy up, I think. A lot to figure out when it's a new car. Ooh, no, this has gotten some movement then. Okay. Oh, that's a removable item. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be so hard to take out, but it's just an item that pops out so you can get more access here. Right, how do I take this guy out? I'll be back in a moment. Let's try this some more. I got a feeling it's gonna be something where it's like you've just got to really firmly pull it upwards, but it's so hard to get. Ooh, oh, okay. Right, this looks like progress. Oh. Okay. I was hoping to get a little bit more inside of here, but I guess not. Right, so I'm removing the 4 screws around the bit that holds on the gear selector. I'm gonna see if that's enough. Let's see what that. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna try and get access to the live and earth coming here. And to do that, I think we have to pop this bad boy off. Ooh. What? This car is so easy to take apart. It's unbelievable. There you go. That's that panel removed. I'm gonna leave that there for the time being. Got the access to the live and earth. Now I'm gonna put in all the ambient lighting in the places that we would like. So that is the strip, the long one going across the dash, basically put in. I can now put this panel back on. It's super easy. It just unclips, so just get the trim removal tool, pop it off. Need to just hide that wire a little bit more. The center console and all the footwells are all completely done now, and then I just got to show you guys how to do those 2 doors. So this is where I have tapped into. The black is the earth and the green and white is the live. So I'm just going to put everything back together here, and that's all done. So to take apart the door cards, we've got this little plastic piece just up here. There's the first piece off, and then if you come just underneath this plastic piece here, right, so we've got one T20 just up here, and then we've got 2 T30s, so just one up here, second one over here. And now we can look at taking apart the door card. Now at the bottom here, there's a little groove that you can slide it into. There's a little groove that you can slide it into here, and then just start popping it off. There we go. Disconnect all the wires you can get access to. And that's door card off. Now we do need to take off these plastic clips, replace any that have broken, because for some reason Land Rover just used the worst quality clips. As soon as you take it off once, look at how they break. So yeah, just replace those. To feed the ambient lighting through, we just want to basically come up above the door handle part here, just like so. Right, and now flipping it around to the side, we can see where that's come out of. So now we know where that gap is, we can just feed the other strip through. Be very careful if you're using the picking tool I am, because you could easily stab yourself. So remove that as quick as you can. Pull it all the way through. Basically, that is the ambient lighting prepped up. Now with regards to the door modules, I believe it's this one here. I'm going to double check, but one of these blacks is alive and one of them is an earth. It could be either on this side or this side. Just get a voltmeter and check it. It should be a good strong 12 volts. As you can see just here, that's how it's looking. So the left one is the live and the right one is the earth. Just always double check it before you do anything, but that's how we're going to tap into the doors. And real quickly, added door handle and door storage lights to the car as well. So yeah, because basically, can you please look at adding this on as last minute thing? So just quickly done it. I didn't get time to record anything because I was trying to do it as quick as possible, but here it is. The car is all complete and it looks absolutely awesome. So now's a good time to sit back and enjoy the finished results. So as you unlock the car, everything will load up. And then if you lock the car, everything shuts down. Hey everyone, that is the install all complete. Now if this is something that you would like to get yourself booked into, then be sure to head over to my website, which will be able to have all the information on how to get booked in for this car. Now if we jump over to it, we'll look at the actual install for this car together. So if you join me on the website, you click on services we offer. That should bring up the options. And then if you click on ambient lighting. Now if you want to build a selection of your own install that's not already pre-listed, then you click here. But we know this has already been a car that's done on the channel. Down to Land Rover. Now it's a Discovery Sport. Click on the Discovery Sports ambient lighting. Select if you want just a normal ambient lighting with the standard bead kit, or if you want it with the full Symphony like it was in this car. You can add whichever extras you would like, add it to your basket, and then you'll be able to pay for it there. Now the reason why I wanted to talk about that here is because everyone always does message me or reach out to me trying to find out a way of getting booked in for an install. This is the easiest and fastest way to look at doing that. Now if you want to tackle this install yourself, links in the description down below will all be included of all the products that we use in this video and alternatives as well. Those are affiliate links, so bear that in mind that if you do purchase through them, I will basically be able to make a little bit of an income from the affiliate link. Now, I'm going to end the video here. I can't wait to share more content with you guys. I've been so busy, wrapped up in loads of builds and just some crazy, insane work. So the garage completely looks different now, and I can't wait to share all of that with you guys. So, be sure to check out my second channel as well, because that's where I'm going to be doing some more of my personal car builds going forward as well. Anyway, everyone, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.